Hello everyone, welcome to the undocumented world. We're going to discuss a secret and the truth about the sun. Is the sun really a 4.5 billion-year-old nuclear fusion fireball? Is the surface of the sun really only 28 degrees Celsius? What stories lie behind these urban legends? Our topic today starts with a powerful lightning strike in 1905. At that time, there was an oil refinery in Australia. On a stormy day, just like the Roswell incident, the lightning was particularly terrifying, and all the refinery workers took shelter. Suddenly, a massive lightning bolt struck the lightning rod on their refinery tower. The lightning rod was very robust, but the next day, after the rain had cleared, the workers went to check it. They found that the metal pipe, which was quite thick, had been squeezed as if by a giant hand. This made them very scared, as the strange and terrifying scene from the night before made them think of some divine power.
In 1905, the most popular scientific figures were Tesla and Edison. Humanity was just entering the electrical age, and electricity was seen as having magical and mysterious properties. At that time, Tesla's Wardenclyffe Tower had just been dismantled, and the Tunguska event was also rumored to be related to it. So, this incident spread widely, and people wondered what could have caused the deformation of the pipe. No scientist, including Tesla, could explain it for a long time.
What does this have to do with the sun? In 1920, a British astronomer proposed a model of the sun. According to this model, the sun and other stars shine because of continuous nuclear fusion reactions within them, where hydrogen undergoes thermonuclear reactions. Specifically, hydrogen H has isotopes protium 1 proton and 1 electron, deuterium 1 proton and 1 neutron, and tritium 1 proton and deuterons. These isotopes react at high temperatures, resulting in nuclear fusion and the release of energy. This model explained why the sun could burn for 4.5 billion years continuously emitting light and heat. It quickly gained widespread acceptance in the scientific community. However, this model presented two frightening points. First, the surface of the sun is calculated to be over 6,000 degrees Celsius, which is understandable, but the core is estimated to be over 15 million degrees, which is unimaginably high. At that time, scientists dreamed of creating an artificial sun on Earth, but the extreme temperature of 15 million degrees in the core posed a significant challenge. Suddenly, a scientist named Bennett thought of the strange event in Australia. He believed that the deformation of the pipe was due to a powerful electromagnetic force caused by the immense current. This led many scientists to consider using such forces to control nuclear fusion. However, World War II interrupted these efforts, and the project was put on hold. After the war, the discovery of the atomic bomb during WWI renewed interest in nuclear fusion. The UK and the US resumed research, with the US proposing the concept of a stellarator, a device to contain the fusion reaction. The Soviet Union, based on this concept, developed the tokamak, a machine with a strong magnetic field to confine the reaction. By 1958, the tokamak could reach temperatures of 15 million degrees, similar to the sun. However, despite reaching such temperatures, we still haven't created a functional artificial sun. There are two possible reasons, one practical and one more speculative. The practical reason is that our ability to confine the reaction is not sufficient. The tokamak doesn't have the same pressure as the sun's core, so we need to keep increasing the temperature. Another speculative reason is that the Z-pinch method, once discarded, has been revived. A US company is now confident they can use AI to control the current pulses and confine the reaction. They believe we don't necessarily need to mimic the sun. This brings us to the speculative part. The 1920s model of the sun might be wrong. The sun might not be a 4.5 billion-year-old nuclear fusion fireball. If it were, we might have already achieved more progress with our tokamaks and Z-pinch methods. Shuji Nakamura, known for his work on blue LEDs, proposed a different method using lasers and boron to confine the reaction. He aims to create a reactor by 2050. There are also other models of the sun, including an electromagnetic model. One of the most intriguing models is the cold fusion model. Cold fusion suggests that nuclear fusion can occur at room temperature and pressure. Some scientists, like Akarakanda, claim the sun's surface is only 27 degrees Celsius, and the dark spots on the sun might be habitable environments. Other scientists, like Hillary, suggest that the sun might be a portal or a place with alien life. In 2025, the Parker Solar Probe will land on the sun. If it confirms the sun's surface is 28 degrees, it could revolutionize our understanding of the sun and lead to the successful creation of an artificial sun. We'll have to wait and see. Thank you for listening. See you next video.